Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I will explain what is a traditional game. Traditional games are games that have been part of Indonesian culture for a long time and often involve physical, social, and cognitive activities. And then I will introduce myself. First, I am Agnia as the moderator and this is my colleague as a speaker. Please introduce yourself.
I am Muhammad Jufadikillah as the speaker.
Okay, I am Muhammad Almuddin as the speaker.
Okay, thank you. We from Group 10 broke topics about the influence of traditional games on physical fitness. Immediately we entered the material session. The first and second material will be compared by my colleague Julpa. The first tema, traditional games as positive media to improve physical fitness, and the second tema is causal relationship between traditional game participation and change in perception of physical activities. For that, I invite Julfa.
Okay, thank you, Agnia. But the first, I will deliver narrative about the theme traditional games as positive media to improve physical fitness. The first one, fun physical activity. Two, stamina and health assessment. Three, social and emotional aspect. Thus, traditional games can be used as a positive medium to improve children physical fitness as well as improve their social, emotional, and cognitive abilities. Furthermore, the second material with the them casual relation between traditional game participation and change in perfection of physical activity. One, intrinsic motivation and behavioral change. Overall, participation in traditional games can influence individual perception of the importance of physical activity for physical fitness, which can result in behavioral change and increased motivation to engage in regular physical activity. I invite back to moderator.
Okay, thank you Julpa for delivering the material well. Furthermore, the third and fourth material will be compared by my colleague Ali. The third tema is the role of the teacher, balance between student, cognitive, and emotional, and the fourth tema is teacher challenge in dealing with students' emotional characteristic. I invite to Ali.
Okay, thank you Agnia. The treat material will be conveyed by me with the role of the teacher, balance between student cognitive. In first one, the importance of understanding student emotional. In instead of studying emotional, the first one and self learning. When educator registers and address student emotion, they create a supportive environment that foster better concentration and motivation. And two, build strong relationship. Emotional understanding trends trust between teacher and student, encouraging open communication. And three, promote mental well-being. Unclogging emotion help reduce stress and anxiety, creating a healthier classroom atmosphere. And four, encourage emotional intelligence. Students learn to manage their feeling and develop empathy, essential skill for lifelong success. And two, teacher strategy. In teacher strategy, it was one different instruction definition, tailoring teaching method to meet the diverse needs of students. Implementation use varied instructional material, visual, auditory, kinesthetic, provide tiered assignment based on skill level, offer flexible grouping, individual, peer, or group work, and two, active learning. Definition, engaging studied in the learning process, the through participation. Implementation, use the file share, debate, or problem-solving text in corporate head-on activity, experiment, simulation. Apply preferred classroom techniques student learn contact at home discuss in class. Understanding student emotion is very important in learning. Teachers should focus not only on the quality and cognitive of students, but also understand student emotion to create a better and more effective learning experience. Next. Put to more the fourth material with the dumb teacher, challenge in dealing with student emotional characteristic, student character diversity, and two, game-based learning to reduce stress. Inter- Integrating emotional learning into the curriculum, managing student emotion by using strategy above. Teacher can help student develop good emotional skill and active success and learning. Okay, thank you. I speak back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you Ali for delivering the material well. Okay, thank you Ali for delivering the material well. Before I close this presentation, I will give a conclusion first. Traditional games such as gobak sodor, engklek, and jump rope have a positive effect on physical fitness by improving cardiovascular endurance, muscle strength, agility, balance, and flexibility through dynamic movements such as running, jumping, and body coordination. In addition, these games encourage fun in interactive physical activities as well as hone growth and fine motor skills in children. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's session. Thank you to our speaker for the valuable insight, and to everyone for your attention and participation. We hope you found this session helpful. Have a great day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.